Gold prices soar on the worst job report in nearly a year. David, is 1900 in the cards for today?
I don't know if it's for today, but I think we're definitely going to test that level soon. Gold is reflecting again a lot of uncertainty, a lot of concern in the marketplace.
And my
I
question is,
also
though, of
think,
course, with David, how long does that last? Because two wild cards, of course, if we see some bargain hunting in stocks because a bad jobs number actually means the Fed might do a QE3, that could be a possible headwind for gold. And at some point, if we continue to see losses in stocks, people are going to have to sell their gold to cover losses.
yeah, two great points. I'm going to add another one. I mean, we basically had a parabolic move in gold, and we had some margin increases and gold fell off. I think we could see the test of the $1,900 level. I'm not a proponent that we're going to see $2,500 by the end of the year like JP Morgan. I think we're probably going to see 2,000 at best. I do believe we're going to see some backing and filling. I'm still holding out for that open gap at the I think it's 1690 in that range. So I think gold will accelerate here for a little while, but I also think it's got some work to do.
Now, what's going to trigger that consolidation, though, at this point?
Well, I think it's going to be just the fact that there's so many other alternatives in the market and so much going on. If QE3 is announced or it's obvious to the markets, I think it'll probably bolster the gold and silver stories, but it may not. It's a really tough call here.
So then how does that translate into silver then? Because it's been stuck in that range, like you mentioned, 38, 42. Is this going to be the breakout time for silver?
I think it will be on a short-term basis, Alex, but I'm not looking for it to take out the $50 level. So I'm looking for a good pop in silver, maybe a $2 move, something like that, and then come back down.
Okay, so basically uncertainty and confusion is kind of ruling the day here. Gold and silver could see a short-term pop on this uncertainty, but eventually have a little bit of a correction. Thanks, David.